shut the door, 'cause it'll take a whole lot of flowery fragrance to cover up your nasty smell. My nose ain't doing well. I know you're constipated, baby, but I just can't take your nasty smell. Keep in mind all the nasty gases you're blowing keep you outside. No, you're not walking in the store. No population. If you fart, baby, there'll be no clear air. If you fart, baby, just like the clouds, the air will be foggy. If you fart on me, you'll get smacked on your booty. Quit eating your greasy bacon. Can't eat French fries without making me cry. If I was farting too, I'd be doing the right thing, and at least cover up my smell and make it quiet, not loud. But you're not afraid of ripping a long one in a crowd. They all stopped in tracks and then they died. Yeah, for you I'll die, I'll die, I'll die, I'll die. I'll stick with these loud, nasty smells till I'm puking. That'll make you proud. No population. If you fart, baby, there'll be no clear air. If you fart, baby, just like the clouds, the air will be foggy. If you fart on me, you'll get smacked on your booty. Embarrassed, you're mine. Embarrassed, you're mine. I'll stick with these hot, nasty smells till I'm puking. That'll make you proud. No population. If you fart, baby, there'll be no clear air. If you fart, baby, just like the clouds, the air will be foggy. If you fart on me, baby.